Hello, in this quick video, I would like to tell you how to screen capture with Snippet, a Mouseover text. Now, many times when you are actually writing a blog, or for any reason you want to take a screenshot of a code in which there is a Mouseover, like in Visual Studio. I've got a piece of code in which there is this Mouseover. Now this Mouseover text, how do I actually capture it as a screenshot? So there are just 4 steps, very easy. Just if you go through the entire video, please have patience to go through the entire video to learn it in 4 easy steps. First of all, you need to place, of course, the mouse over the text on which you have the Mouseover and you want to capture this. So after that, the second step will be, now that we have already selected, we have placed the mouse on the Mouseover text that we want the screenshot on. Now we press Windows Shift and a combination of keys together, and we get a rectangular snip. And without removing our mouse, what we do, we actually use the trackpad and just click on the rectangular snip. So when we click the rectangular snip, we get a rectangular cross piece. Now the third step is to bring that, drag and bring that rectangular cross piece with the help of the trackpad, not the mouse, okay, to the right hand side page, the plus sign, and I place the plus sign over on top of the text that I want to capture with Mouseover, okay, and I enclose the entire area or region, and then I leave that trackpad, and then I go back to one of my softwares, that is Snagit. Now don't worry, if you don't have Snagit, you can do it on your Microsoft Word empty document. So I will bring the Snagit software. Now it's already on my clipboard, so all I need to do is to click on File, New, and then New from Clipboard. And you see this piece of Visual Studio code in which I have captured this part as a Mouseover text. Okay, so in case you don't have this software Snagit, then just bring Microsoft Word and then Control V to paste by clipboard. Easy as. And where you pasted it, right click, just highlight this part, right click and save as picture. So it will give you the options to save it as PNG or just see .png. You can save it as a PNG or JPG or GIF format. Okay, that's the end of the story. So hopefully if it helps you, I'll be very glad. And if you subscribe to my channel, it will support me, and share with the friends. Okay, take care.